Installing a GTO and FLX onto your pistol. Make sure your pistol is unloaded and all ammunition and magazines are on a separate table. First, we'll use an alcohol wipe included with every FLX to wipe down the length from the grip across the bottom of the trigger guard and including the Picatinny rail. We'll let that dry and then pull off the paper backing on the back of the FLX. It's easiest to start at the top and then peel back towards the thin end. Start by placing the hard plastic end first. The lip goes against the rear edge of the correct notch in your rail. Most pistols have only one notch, but if your pistol has multiple notches, the right notch is noted on the label of the bag your FLX came in. Be careful to place the hard plastic part right in the middle of the rail, and when adhering the rest of the FLX, start from the rail and work your way backwards towards the grip. Careful to go over every bump and keeping the FLX right down the middle. Once the FLX is installed, you're ready to remove the finger touch adapter with the removal tool in your box. Then slide the GTO onto the rail. Position it so the main screw hole is aligned with the notch in the rail. Place the screw into the hole and then screw down tightly with a medium-sized flathead screwdriver. After tightening down the GTO, it is time to install the battery. Note the direction of the battery. After installing a battery and sliding in the battery plate, your final step is to place the GTO into GripTouch mode. Take the provided hex key and place the edge into this hole through the battery cover and push in 4 times. You should hear 4 clicks. Wait a few seconds, and now the GTO is programmed in GripTouch mode. See the next video on how to switch between modes and turn the GTO back into finger touch mode.